The Defense Logistics Agency is the United States Combat Logistics Support Agency. We're responsible for managing the global supply chain, providing more than $42 billion in goods and services annually for the Department of Defense, other federal agencies, and partner and allied nations, with more than 26,000 DLA civilian and military personnel stationed throughout the world. We support disaster response and humanitarian relief efforts globally, including hurricanes, and most recently the pandemic, making sure necessary items such as uniforms, food, and medical supplies get to where they need to, no matter the circumstances. And as the Program Executive Office at DLA, we're responsible for managing approximately 200 IT applications which support these DoD and DLA business operations, processing over 7 billion transactions per year with a business value of $465 billion. Our vision is to be an adaptive, innovative organization that always delivers the right things at the right place and at the right time, making speed, agility, and efficiency critical components for how we operate. Our on-premise systems have been experiencing outages and delays in deployments, and our team didn't have direct access, which created challenges and hindered our ability to resolve issues quickly. So we embarked on a digital business transformation journey, beginning with our decision to modernize with the cloud for a more agile development framework that provides the flexibility needed to drive rapid performance and scale. We started our cloud journey with very aggressive timelines, initially migrating 5 applications to the cloud under the Procurement Integrated Enterprise Environment, or PIEE, using our hosting support contract. We completed this migration in just 138 days, almost 6 weeks ahead of schedule. After some initial learnings, we even launched one app during business hours, which is unheard of. But we had gained confidence that we could do it without experiencing any downtime like we were used to. There were a few key factors that helped expedite this migration I'd like to share. One is that we had a unified vision. We got all necessary parties together across procurement and cybersecurity when making a decision to move to the cloud, allowing us to align on the how and why from the very beginning. Another is that we established accreditation for the entire environment instead of each individual application, helping to increase our cybersecurity efficiencies. And most importantly, our team stayed focused on the high goals we had set out to achieve. When working in government, some might expect to hear no or face roadblocks, but we kept driving with unreasonable ambition, which focused on outcomes. And this alignment, vision, and focus shows in the results we've been able to achieve. Specifically, we've increased and maintained a steady uptime above 98% compared to 95% with our previous systems. A recent example of our efforts includes supporting orders of personal protective equipment in response to the pandemic on our FedMall e-commerce platform, in which the reliability, agility, and speed with the cloud have been essential. We're now able to make direct code changes and accelerate the intake of items within the applications, saving us time and presenting new educational opportunities for our team to get trained quickly on the cloud, reinforcing our culture to learn fast. We can stand our test environments up and down as needed, which frees up our database and administrator time and helps to make the most of our available resources. And we've continued to establish new standards and norms. Major releases viewed as agile in the government used to be 4 per year on major applications. Now in PIE, we stand up between 6 and 8 per year on average, and 12 at a high point. Adoption of the cloud has been critical in helping to improve efficiencies and security, and provide cost savings that we've been able to reinvest back into the program. We currently have about 85% of our applications on the cloud, and plan to complete the full migration in the next few years. We're pulling from other cloud resources on lessons learned to migrate data quickly to SAP to the cloud, which will be a major milestone for DLA. And one of our apps supporting COVID-19 vaccine distribution will transition to the cloud within our SAP framework later this year. And there's still so much more to come as we keep getting comfortable in the environment. We'll further expand our capabilities and implement new tools based on our learnings. We also look forward to continuing our work with commercial cloud providers as a government customer to enhance the efficiencies that can be achieved by promoting multi-cloud tenancy and provide a framework that best meets our business and analytics capabilities. Modernizing our systems and moving to the cloud is enhancing the way we operate. As technology keeps evolving, we continue our cloud journey. Our valuable partnerships and unified team vision to have exceedingly high ambitions will help us stay at the forefront and deliver on our mission. Thank you.